Hey guys, welcome back to another video of shop guide here. Yeah guys, a really cool product here that I got for a little bit over 2 months now, and I finally have time to actually make a video for you guys to see how big it is, how it look like. Oh, it's really colorful, guys. And of course you can put it in your living room, your restaurant. I mean, you can put it anywhere, but I have it right in front of my TV. But one advice I just want to give you guys, if you guys are planning to buy it, wherever you put it, don't face it towards you, because you know the light changes so many color. It is really irritating. But if you have it facing like the wall, everything shines to the wall, and it just looks so pretty, and it just brighten up the whole room. And the cool thing is it does not get hot when you touch the light. So because you know some product does get hot, this one no, it stay cool. So yeah, overall I would give this a 10 out of 10, and I hope this video answered most of your question for you guys.